Let's get learning with Santino.
Hi everyone, I'm Santino and the number of the day is the number 7. Today we'll be recording lots of ways to show the number 7. If you'd like, you could grab a whiteboard and a marker and draw along with me, or you might want to have a watch first and then have a go later. So, let's get learning! 7 is great, 7 days in a week. The 7 seas, 7 wonders to seek. You'll see that 7 is an odd number. Where will you find 7, I wonder? This week, I've been using my maths detective skills to search for the number 7. And yes, I'm happy to report that there are lots of 7s around. Check out some of the places where I found 7. I walked past the shop and it's open 7 days. That's every day. Playing cards can be fun. Can you find all the 7s? I even saw 7 as I was crossing the road. Can you see it? Not a numeral, but count the stripes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This looks fun. Can you see 7 here? I noticed that this funny shape has 7 points. Two 7s on this letterbox, number 77. Look up at the sign. No numerals, but words. And 2 of them say 7. Who wants ice cream? Yum! How many cones cost $7? Become a math detective yourself, and wherever you go this week, look out for the number 7. Today, let's see how many ways we can show and record the number 7. Starting with this way, the numeral. Do you remember how to write the number 7? Well, pointing fingers up, let's write it together in the air. Ready? Across the sky from left to right, then go down. That's 7, all right? I'm going to write this on the board. Across the sky from left to right, then go down. That's 7, all right? We can write 7 as a numeral, and we can write 7 as a word. Watch as I write the word that says 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. You've been great at helping me show numbers on a die, but there are only 6 sides on the dice. Yes, 6 is the biggest number. So how are we going to show 7? Well, to make bigger numbers, we need another die. That's right. So on this die, we have 6. How many more to make 7? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1 more makes 7. And there it is. So, this is another way we could show 7. 6 and 1. Can you think of any other number combinations on the dice that could make 7? Well, today I'm going to record this way. Maybe you'd like to record a different way. So first, I'll need to draw my 2 dice faces. 1 square, 2 squares, and then I'll draw 6 dots on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then how many on this one? Just 1, right in the middle. Let's count them to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, everyone, get your fingers ready and let's give our chin 7 taps. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now, can you connect your thumbs like this and make a butterfly? Let's give 7 butterfly flaps. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Awesome! Okay, what is another way that we can show 7? How about on a 10 frame? Can you draw a 10 frame? Well, get your pointing fingers ready, and while I draw mine on my board, you can draw one in the sky. Here we go. So first, let's draw our big rectangle all the way around like this. Then we need to draw our long horizontal line through the middle. And then we need to draw 4 lines going up and down, remembering to try to keep equal spaces between. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm ready to show the number of the day, 7. How many dots? That's right, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have a full row of 5 and then 2 more. Can you think of more ways to show 7? How about on our fingers? Okay everyone, hands ready to count to 7? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's a great way to show 7. I'll put this picture of 7 fingers on my board. I think you know what I have in here. Yes, lots of blocks. Count with me as I pull out 7. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, we're getting lots of blocks now. In fact, I think we could build a little tower with these. What do you think? Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That looks great. I think I'm going to show this on my board right here. Yes. Well, look at all the ways we have already shown the number 7. We've shown 7 as a numeral, as a word, on dice, on a 10 frame, with our blocks, and with our fingers. What's another way we could show 7? How about as a picture? What picture will you draw today? It actually might be a good idea to choose something simple now that we need to draw so many. So today, I'm going to draw 7 crosses. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've shown 7 with 1 row of 3 and 1 row of 4. What's another way we could show 7? How about using tally marks? You remember tally marks? Those lines that go up and down, and when we get to 5, we have to go across. Pointing fingers up, everyone. You can draw 7 tally marks in the air while I draw it on my board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across. 6, 7. Good job. Now, as we know, bigger numbers are made up from smaller numbers. Have you got an idea of 2 numbers that can make 7? Let's see. Here are 7 red counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But what if I swap these 4 red counters for 4 yellow counters? We still have 7 counters, but this time it shows 4 and 3. So 4 and 3 make 7. And look what I found on a domino this week. Yes, I found a block that has 4 and 3 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Another great way to show 7. I'm going to draw this domino on my board. So first I need to draw the domino like this with a line in the middle, and now I need to draw 4 dots on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 on this side. 1, 2, 3, diagonal line. And this domino shows that 4 and 3 make 7. Do you know 2 more numbers that can make 7? Try and find it on a domino. Well, it looks like we have space for one more way to show 7, and that is on a number line. Come on everyone, let's count to 7 together. I'll just put my finger on 0 to start. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fantastic. Let's count to 7 again, but this time I am going to draw each step as we count. Watch carefully as I only draw one step for each number. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's our number of the day. I'll give it a big circle. There we go. Well, look at all the ways we've shown 7. We can show 7 as a numeral, as a word, on dice, with our blocks, on a 10 frame, as a picture, as tally marks, with our fingers, on dominoes, and on our number line. Well, now it's your turn to grab a pencil and paper, or maybe a whiteboard and a marker, and show all the ways that you can represent the number 7. You might want to use some of the ways we've shared today, or maybe you have some ideas of your own. And yes, keep a sharp lookout for that number 7 this week, Maths Detectives. Happy learning and see you next time. Be sure to like and subscribe, there's lots more to see. Come back again soon for more learning with me.